guys, it's Lisa from Recreated Designs, and I'm so glad you've decided to join me for another class. Today I'm going to be talking to you all about decorative molds. These decorative molds will take your furniture and home decor projects up to a new level. There are so many ways to use them, and I'm going to walk you through all of them and give you my very best tips and tricks to using these molds. I will even give you a few secret ways to use them that most people don't know about, and even a thing that you can do with the clay if you have missing trim and fixtures on your vintage pieces. So stick around. In the next video, I'm going to tell you all about how to prep your molds and how to get the very best impressions out of your molds. So I'll see you back in a minute and we'll get into decorative molds.